In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rank #1 on Google using Claude Code for SEO. And doing this technique will allow you to get up to, based on one of our example websites, 23,000 unique visits per month in just organic traffic. So if we look at this website here, you can see it's ranking for 2.9 thousand unique keywords. And from that, it's getting 23.8 thousand unique visits every single month. If they were to pay for this traffic in Google Ads, it would cost them $29.6 thousand. On this next website example here, they're ranking for 2.4 thousand keywords and bringing in 25.3 thousand unique visits every single month for a value of £29,000 per month. And even with smaller websites like this one here, that's only ranking for 4 organic keywords, just with 4 keywords, it's able to pull in 2.1 thousand unique visits every single month, which means you can start to convert some of this organic traffic to paid customers, and that's how you can start to scale your SaaS business or any kind of business at all. So all of this stems from this prompt here, which allows Claude Code to run through a bunch of different steps, and this works for any single business because we can replace these dynamic variables with information for our own business. And then it's going to go and call tools to actually do web search, understand the business itself, map the competitive landscape, mine competitor content, so seeing what other competitors are also ranking for. Then we're going to explore long tail variants that we can actually rank for based on our domain rating, because if you've got a really low domain rating, you cannot rank for really high keyword difficulty terms. So this prompt is going to allow Claude to find only keywords that you can actually rank for, which is going to be really useful. Then it's going to assess the SERP difficulty, so how hard it would be to appear on search engine results pages. Then it's going to actually validate each keyword using search suggestions, and then finally pick the top 10 keywords that we can actually rank for. So if you want the prompt for this, I can send it over, just comment prompt in the comments. So I've ran this prompt for 2 distinct websites, and the first one here is called Balroy, which sell like leather wallets. And putting this prompt in and filling in all the details for Balroy. So we've got the name, the website URL, the industry niche, primary product, leather wallets, target location is USA, and the target audience is men aged between 30 and 50. You can just fill this in with all of your custom business information, and then it can start to create keywords for your business as well. Then it's going to run through the entire prompt, and this takes about 5 minutes whilst Claude Code spawns sub-agents, goes off, does all of the research. And if you was to do this manually, this could literally take hours, but with Claude Code, it takes no more than 5 minutes. And by the end, you end up with 10 high quality keywords that you can actually rank for. So what we want to do with these keywords is then pop them into a tool like Spectre SEO, which will turn the keywords into high quality articles. So if we go to Spectre, click schedule, click add keywords, paste in the keywords, click schedule articles. Then for each keyword, it's going to create a high quality article, doing a bunch of research around the topic, then publishing it to your website automatically. So you can start to appear on search engine results pages and then bring in organic traffic that you can then convert into paid customers. So in the second example here, we've got a website called Jobber, which is like software for local service businesses. So again, we've got the business name Jobber, the URL, a local services business. The industry or niche is local services, primary products or service is local service software, USA for the location, and then tradespeople for the target audience. Again, it runs through this really long prompt and then takes about 5 minutes to find all of the keywords. And finally, at the end, spits out 10 high quality keywords that website could rank for. So again, we'd just copy these keywords, pop it into a tool like Spectre, click schedule articles, and then we'll automatically have those articles created and then published to our website automatically. You'll get 1 unique article every single day. And from that, we can then start to rank on Google, and we'll start to, over time, see results like these websites here. Now, just a caveat, SEO takes a really, really long time to do. And it takes a huge amount of investment as well. So finding some sort of automation pipeline so you can focus on other areas of the business is a really smart move. And this is so much more possible these days because of AI tools. So again, if you want access to this prompt, just comment prompt below and I'll send it to you. And if you want to see a version of this prompt that's even more powerful because it can connect to tools like Ahrefs, which has really high quality keyword data, then I've linked another video here which covers that exact topic. Otherwise, If you want to check out Spectre SEO, there's a 50% off discount code in the description. And thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more SEO tips, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.